Why does your stomach growls? There is a sound that your stomach is making. That sound is called growling of the stomach. Why does this happen? It happens because the movement of water, food, and other materials in the body occur by that way. That means the movement of food from the mouth to the esophagus to the stomach is by peristalsis. Entire movement of food in the body. The movement or the churning of the stomach, the muscles of the stomach, would cause that sound to happen. Why? Because sometimes you just get up like this without eating anything, just drink water. But it's not necessary that your stomach is empty before you hear that sound. No. Sometimes even if there is nothing in your stomach, even if you're not eating, your digestive system is working perfectly. Now, what is the solution? Always eat balanced diet and always stay hydrated to avoid the growling of the stomach.